Designing a mobile app sounds simple until you actually try to do it. Let's break it down and make it more doable. Mobile app design isn't just about shrinking a website to fit in a phone screen. It's about creating something that feels native to the way people use their phones. On the go, distracted, with one thumb, bad lighting, and bad Wi-Fi. That's the reality we design for. First, let's get real about the devices. Mobile isn't just phones. It's tablets, smartwatches, fitness trackers, even e-readers. So the context of using is everything. People might be walking, riding the subway, or half watching Netflix. Your app has to work in that mess. So how do you design for that? You focus on what we call the VIP model: visual, interruptible, and playful. Visual means your app needs to look clean and clear. Good contrast, readable text, proper spacing. Your users have to squint and guess where they tap, you already lost them. Interruptible means people can leave your app for hours or days and come back without losing the thread. Keep the flow intuitive, make it obvious what they were doing. Playful, that's about emotional context. People don't just want functionality, they want moments that feel human, engaging, even fun. Think delightful micro-interactions or little Easter eggs. They matter. Also, users approach apps in different mental states. Sometimes they're doing quick micro-tasks, checking on notification, confirming delivery, whatever. Other times they're killing time, scrolling endlessly. You've got to recognize that range and support both. There is also the I'm bored state. Think Instagram or TikTok. That experience needs to feel immersive. Now, let's talk development approaches, because how you build affects how you design. You've got three main types: native, hybrid, and web apps. Native apps are built specifically for iOS and Android. They are powerful and smooth, but costly if you want both platforms. Hybrid apps use one code base for all platforms. Great for saving time and money, but they come with limitations when it comes to accessing advanced device features. And web apps, they're browser-based and don't need to be downloaded, but they can feel clunky and disconnected. They're useful in some cases, but are not always the best UX choice. Now onto the actual design process. This isn't just about drawing screens, it's about thinking strategically. Step 1 is research. Who are your users? What devices are they using? Where are they using your app? And what are they trying to accomplish? Then comes understanding. Conduct interviews, observe behaviors, dig into context. Are they in a rush, at home, or in a bad signal areas? After that, define your value proposition. What makes your app worth using? And no, we have features is not enough. Then differentiate. The app stores are full of clones. What makes yours stand out? Is it your tone, your visuals, your onboarding flow? Now, let's get practical. At Eleken, we have SaaS companies design mobile apps that are not just pretty, they build for real-life use. Take Bival, for example, a health lab platform that lets users access their medical records from multiple providers. They came to us mid-growth, struggling with the design backlog, and have built mobile experience. We jumped in fast, embedded directly with their product team, and started fixing the things immediately. We designed multiple flows for the different user types and did user testing and iterated based on feedback. As a result, a smooth, trustworthy experience. Same thing with Highpoint. We helped them go from desktop-first experience to responsive, mobile-friendly app that students could rely on anywhere. Good design is what turns an idea into a habit, and habits are what makes apps stick. So if you're building a mobile app, focus on clarity, context, and speed. Don't overcomplicate it. And if you need a design team that gets SaaS and mobile UX inside out, Eleken is here for it. If this was helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more design breakdowns, and drop a comment about your biggest mobile UX challenge. Let's make better apps together.